Good morning, guys. So today we are here to discuss one of the most important question or pressing question which everybody has in mind. Whether you are a new joiner in the gym or any fitness activity, or the people those who are experienced, those who are enjoying the fitness journey. Everybody has this question in mind: is when is a good time or the ideal time to do workout? Either it is in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Now, to answer this particular question, we have to first understand the circadian rhythm, which is the internal clock of the body, which works for 24 hours. Yes, you hear me right. So, your body has developed an internal clock, which we call it a circadian rhythm. So, this regulates everything. So whatever the process or what the activity or daily routine you have from morning till evening, it regulates everything and make itself sync with your activity. So it regulates like your sleeps, hormone secretion, body temperature. So whenever you travel cross border, so you might feel a jet lag and you struggle to have a proper sleep. Why this happens? Because your circadian rhythm is out of sync. This means that it is disrupted. That's the reason. So now you might have got a sense on what would be my answer to this particular question on does the timing of workout or any fitness activity matters? No, it doesn't matter at all. Yes, you hear me right. So why this is so? The same circadian rhythm. The most important thing to understand here is you can work out at any time, either in the morning, evening, or afternoon, and make it a habit. And once your routine goes on, or fitness routine goes on, your circadian rhythm or the internal clock makes it sync, and you can see performance gains. So important thing here is timing doesn't matter. On the matter, what matters is your consistency, discipline, and the routine which you have implemented throughout a particular period, maybe a 6 months or a year. Now, if you're changing a routine, suppose you're working in the morning, then you're changing it to your evening or afternoon within maybe a month or so, then it might not work. So you have to be consistent at that particular timing and make it a habit, and you can see a performance gain. So several research studies have also been conducted, and there is no conclusive evidence on the hypothesis that the timing of workout does have any correlation in the performance gains. I hope I have cleared this particular doubt. Stay safe. Have a great day. Bye.